everyone. It is very windy and rainy in Minnesota. The wind started earlier this today and it's going on strong, the wind, and now it's raining. So be careful out there walking, doing whatever you're doing outside. Now hopefully the homeless are going to be safe and okay. Remember, very windy in Minnesota, Duluth, central area. Rainstorm outside. No thunder and lightning. I haven't seen any of that, but very high winds and rain coming around. Don't know how long it's going to last, so stay safe.